Guys, we're getting Max.
So bad,
We're getting Max.
Come on, Max. Come here. Come here, Max.
You want his lead from outside.
He's gone over to his bed.
Come on, Maxie. Bath time. Come on, boy.
Come here, Max. Come on.
Yeah, for that.
Come here, Max.
Push him.
He knows what's going on.
Push him.
I mean, he's earned this incredible opportunity. You can't do it halfway.
Come on.
It's too important.
He's aiming wrong. He will not move. Hold up.
Up here,
He's getting picked up.
about as far north as you can go. Now, I didn't know what to expect
Is he heavy?
when I came here. I knew the town
Oh, Max. He's
had
alright.
a peak population in
He's going for
No,
this.
Max, 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 Max.
1700
Come here, boy. Come here.
and today there are about 560. I was thinking it might be kind of a good place. Way up here. But guess what?
Come on. Open the door.
Oh, he's so heavy.
Here he comes. Come on. Poor Max.
In we go.
In.
In we go. Hey, buddy. In we go.
We see if do that. Oh, we can see him do the.
Oh my god, bro, Max. That was an
It
arm
was so
workout.
heavy. It's getting all soggy.
Getting all soggy.
Getting all.
Is that
Might as
hot?
well just turn this on.
Okay, that might be a little bit hot for him. Take it down a bit.
It's getting all soggy. So what happened to like this thing? It just like cracked and like it broke.
Yeah, like fell.
Just a little bit. It was getting like a mohawk.
See? Like you go like this way and like give him a mohawk in the middle of it.
What is that? Max, what does that feel like? Do you think?
Is it nice? He's warm.
Is he now? Is he now?
Has his tail behind his legs like super
Yeah,
far?
wait, yeah.
Oh. Is he sad? I can't really see.
He's very sad. Hold up. He's very sad.
How's the dog doing? Oh, he's shivering. That's okay.
Some more. What's some more water on him? You already know. Look. It's time he gets washed off. All the soap's coming off. He's very sad.
Sad boy. He's emo.
Yeah.
Don't you jump out, Max?
Turn it off. All the bubbles. Let's see how much Max Grunge there is. There's a little bit of Max Grunge. He's dripping. Kind of shivering. This one grungy.
Open the drain.
His hair everywhere.
Find the right time to like get
He's
out.
thinking of jumping out. Oh, like
And you get like
soon.
the other side of him.
If there's like a gap here, I'll try to fill it. Oh, you fill it. It's goofy. What, this one? Hold up.
Look, it still sounds like it's showering.
Yeah, he's like dripping. There we go.
Okay.
He's not actually jumping out now. But he still goes up against that wall.
Oh my god, bro, Max!
There's a towel here for like a reason.
Oh, he's getting water everywhere! You dumb dog, bro.
No, no, 'cause what do you
He's so
think?
stupid. Just like, get off the towel.
What? Oh, yeah.
Bro, you're like standing on it, just recording him.
It's going.
Everywhere. And he like moves over to this one.
Oh.
Okay, I think he's okay.
He can leave officially.
Oh, there's so much.
Hey, boy. Here he is.
There's so much water on the ground.
Oh no. Shake it off. Hello.
A lot of old folks.
Shaking himself.